Hi Smurfs, hi buddies, how are you? Are you happy today? Are you having a great day? Yes? Me too. Great. Today we're going to talk about farm animals. Do you know what a farm is? This is a farm. This is a farm. Can you say farm? Farm. Farm. Excellent. Great job. This is a farm. Good job. And we find lots of animals here on the farms, right? We do, all different kind of animals, but there are some that are typical to the farm. Let's take a look and see. Here's one that we find on the farms all the time. What is this? Who can tell me what this is? It's a pig. It's a pig. Can you say pig? Pig. Great job. What noise or sound does the pig make? Does it go meow, meow, meow? No, that's right. It goes oink, 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 oink. The pig goes oink, oink, oink. Can you do oink, oink, oink? Wow, good job. What else do we find on the farm? What other kind of animals do we see on the farm? What about something that goes quack, 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 quack? Do you know what that is? It's a duck. It's a duck. It's a duck. Can you say duck? Duck? Great job. It's a duck. And what sound does a duck make again? Woof, woof, woof. No, no, Miss Viola. The duck goes quack, 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 quack. That's right. Excellent. What else do we see and what else do we see and find on the farm? What other kind of animals? What about this one? Bah. That's right. It's a sheep. It's a sheep. Can you say sheep? Sheep? Can you say sheep? Sheep. Great job. What sound does it make again? Ba, ba. That's right. Good job. And another animal that we find on the farm and sometimes in our homes as a pet is what is this? Did you say dog? Very good. It's a dog. It's a dog. It's a dog. And what sound does the dog make? What sound does a dog make? Woof, 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 woof. Very good. Good job. The dog goes woof, woof. Very good. And there's one more animal, or two more, that we also find on the farm. This animal gives us milk. This animal gives us milk. Do you know what kind of animal that is? It's a cow. It's a cow. It's a cow. Can you say cow? Cow? Excellent. And what sound does a cow make? Meow. No, the cow goes moo. That's right. Moo. Good job. Moo. That's a cow. The cow makes a moo sound. Good job. And there's one more animal that we find on the farm. And sometimes we like to go riding on this animal. Can you tell me what that could be? No, not a sheep, not a dog, but a horse. It's a horse. It's a horse. Can you say horse? Horse? Horse. Very good. And what sound does the horse make? What sound does the horse make? Neigh, neigh, neigh. Good job. You guys are so amazing. Very good. And now the farm is full of all of our animals. Yes? Look at all the animals on the farm. Very cute, right? They're going to have a busy day on the farm. Do you like farms? Do you like farms? Do you have a farm at your house? Or do you know someone with a farm, maybe? Maybe grandma or grandpa have a farm? Ooh. Yeah? That's wonderful. My grandparents used to have a farm as well. And they had roosters. This guy, rooster. This guy, rooster, he goes, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. Right? And they had chickens as well. I'm so glad that you are here with me today talking about farm animals. Are you ready to read a book with me about farm animals? You are? All right, let's go read. Today we're going to read Old MacDonald's Farm Animals. Hello, Old MacDonald. Where are all the animals? Where are all the animals? There are only 1, 2 chickens. The farm is empty. We only have the barn and hay and tractor and Mr. Old MacDonald. Let's go find the animals. What's that sound? Moo. Moo. Can you tell me which animal is it? Which animal is that? Correct, it's a cow. Great job. It's a cow. Very good. What's that sound? Woof, 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 woof. What animal is it? What animal is it? It's a dog. It's a dog. That's right. What sound is that? What's that sound? Oink, 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 oink. Which animal is it? Which animal is it? Did you say pig? Let's see. That's right. It's a pig. It's a happy, cute little pink pig. Aw, look how happy Mr. Old MacDonald is. What's that sound? Bah, bah. Which animal is it? Can you tell me which animal is it? It's a sheep. It's a sheep. He's laughing. He was playing peekaboo with Mr. Old MacDonald. Very good. It's a sheep. You guessed it. What's that sound? Quack, 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 quack. Which animal is it? Can you tell me which animal is it? Which animal? It's a duck. Very good. You guessed it correctly. It's a duck. Good job. What a noisy farm. Bah, oink, oink, moo. Woof, woof, quack, 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 quack. What a noisy farm, but a fun farm. The end. Did you enjoy that story? You did? Me too. I love animals. Love, love, love them. Were you able to guess which animals were making the sounds? You were. I know you were. You're so smart. So smart, you little Smurfs and bunnies. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you have lots of fun, and I can't wait to see you soon. Bye. Mwah.